welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. I'm so excited to share with you today a sneak peek into Spellbinder's October clubs. And the reason that I'm really excited is that it's got such a cute Christmas theme. So let's jump straight into the stitching club of the month. And this month you've got this super cute snow globe. So we've got the snow globe with this piece to cut snow. And then you can stitch this piece for the bottom if you want to, or you can leave that off. You've also got this Christmas tree. And again, you can add on this stitching detail or you can leave it off with a really sweet star for the top. You've got this piece for the bottom of the tree, and you've got this to create some big baubles if you'd like to. And then this piece can make it kind of look 3D. And then we've got two sentiments. We've got merry and bright, and we've got sending cheer. I really love that. I can't wait to play with that. And actually on one of the examples, they've actually used this at the top of the tree instead of the star. So then sticking with the dies, we've got this really cute die of the month. Again, really sweet. So here we've got this bear with his scarf and all the accessories like the lights that wrap around him, these cute stars and things. And then there's also the little penguin that stands on his head in the example. But then obviously he could be kind of like a little penguin sliding down a snow ridge or something like that. He's really cute. And obviously he could be just like a cute little bear with a scarf on, or you could add on all the accessories like the lights and the penguin and all that kind of thing. There's lots of ways that you can use these dies. So then the hot foil plate for this month is these really fun Christmas lights, and you've got a Merry Christmas sentiment to go with it that's like a nice big kind of statementy type sentiment. And you also get this really cool speckled aura, which is like a gold holographic foil. And I'm getting such a nice collection of foils now, getting a new one each month. And it's kind of made with the edges that aren't kind of solid lines so that you can then repeat the pattern down and things. So then we've got two sets of layering stencils for our stencil of the month this month. We've got this patterned one, so you've got this piece and this part layers over and just kind of fills in the pattern, but you can do it in a different colour so that you've got the rest of the pattern behind it and then this part in a different colour. And then we've also got these really fun baubles. So you've got the pieces that go on the edge of the bauble, and then you've got two layers of actual baubles, so you can have two colours of baubles, or obviously you can colour them in different colours, so you could have complete multicolours, but if you went one layer at a time, then you'd have two colours of baubles and then the bauble holders as well. So that's really cute. So I think those make amazing backgrounds, but they could also make really fun kind of feature elements of a card. Like you can imagine that with that gorgeous big foiled Merry Christmas, and you've kind of got a card done. So then the wax seal for this month is Most Wonderful Time of the Year. So that's such a lovely sentiment that you could create a wax seal and actually put it on your card, but it's also really lovely for decorating your envelopes as well. And you get this gorgeous kind of traditional Christmassy colour mix of wax beads. It's actually called Christmas. So don't forget, with that you can mix them and you can have a few different colours in one wax seal, or you could kind of just put in reds and have a red wax seal, for example. Then you've got this Stamp and Die of the Month set, and again it's really cutesy, really fun, and you've got a die for literally every stamp this month, so all the images and all the sentiments. So we've got Merry Everything and Happy Always, Wishing You a Sprinkle of Christmas Magic, Sweet Winter Wishes, Warmest Wishes for a Wonderful Christmas Filled with Love and Laughter, and Sending You Warm Wishes Wrapped in Holiday Cheer. So that's really lovely, and those little animals are just so cute. And don't forget that if you're really loving this month's kits and you're thinking of getting a few, you might want to check out the Deluxe Caboodle. So it's £120 if you buy it from the UK site, or $120 if you buy it from the US site. And if you get the deluxe caboodle, you get all 10 kits, but it's less than the price of the most expensive 5 kits. So basically you're getting 5 kits free, and you get a free gift on top of that. And if you join any of the clubs, you also get a discount on any other Spellbinders purchases that you make in that month. So there's some really fun extra benefits as well. So then let's move on to our embossing folders for this month. So this is the normal embossing folder, so the embossing folder of the month club, and it's a really useful pattern. You have to excuse the reflection of my light there, but I think you can use that on basically almost any card. It's such a nice pattern. And then this one's a really Christmassy one. So you've got candy canes, poinsettia and foliage in a really gorgeous pattern. And then finally for this month, we've got the better press of the month, which is designer plaid, which is just so nice for making your backgrounds. And you've also got these cute sentiments as well. So you've got Christmas cheer, making spirits bright, warm winter wishes, joy au Noel, and peace and joy. So you can better press those at the same time, or remember you can use your hot foils with these as well. I think this would look absolutely gorgeous foiled, or even a mix. So you could actually do some of the stripes in foil and some in ink, and that would look absolutely gorgeous. So you can do all the sentiments at once and cut them out in one go as well. And the other thing is that it comes with one of the guides, so if you're wanting to use this kind of classic pattern, then you've got the guide there to show you how to create it. I don't think that is particularly Christmassy. I think you could do that in pastels, brights, foils, all sorts, and use it all year round. So I really hope that you've enjoyed having a little sneak peek into this month's clubs with me. I'm really looking forward to creating with them and sharing some projects with you, so keep an eye out for those over the next couple of weeks. If you enjoyed this sneak peek, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below, and I'd love it if you also told me which is your favourite club for this month. Make sure you press subscribe so that you don't miss out on all the projects that I'll be creating with them. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've shown you today are linked in the description below, and there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.